Alright, we're almost there. And that looks like it could be the runway. I don't know. We'll make a left bank. Or maybe it just could be something else. Oh, there's Addis Ababa. Lots of lights. Building. Oh wow, look at that. We're almost. Not bad, eh? Place is well lit. No, that's not the runway. It's the airport. That's just a road, maybe. But yeah, look at the city. Oh, Addis Ababa. Look at that. Somebody is looking up and saying, oh, there. Oh, but I mean, they live in Addis Ababa, so if Ethiopian Airways is headquartered there, is nothing surprising for them. Those are suburbs, properly laid out. Okay, right banking. Look at that. Look at that. Decelerating. City lights. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Now, isn't that a sight? Cars, you can see cars now. Is that a river, a lake, small dam area? Middle of. That's a hill. Yeah, you can't see how it looks from here, but yeah, that's a hill. Left. Okay, that looks weird, but hey, that's cool. Orange lights. What are these? City, city, city. City, lots of city. Cars. We'll be down in a minute, man. Meters, 8,000 feet. How many minutes? We're down. City, city, city. Nice crossroads there. Greatest road. I wonder if they have Addis Ababa Drive in Addis Ababa. We're at the airport, man. We're down. Look at the flaps. we are touchdown. And on the tarmac. There we go. Relax. On the tarmac. Touchdown. Alright, turn into the taxi. Was the runway? Welcome to Bole. Now I have to remember the videos I watched about what to do at the terminal. It's okay, I'll just follow everybody.
ከላይ የሚገኙትን የሻንጣ ማስቀመጫ የተሰጡ ከአንዳይወድቁባችሁ እንድትጠነቀቁ እያስታወስን ከአውሮፕላኑ ከመውረዳችሁ በፊት ምንም እቃ አለመርሳታችሁን ስታረጋግጡ ማስታወሳችሁ እንወዳለን። ከአውሮፕላን ለመውረድ እርዳታ የምትሹ መንገደኞቻችን ሌሎች መንገደኞች ወርደው እስከሚጨርሱ ድረስ እንደተቀመጣችሁ እንድትቆዩ እየጠየቅን የበረራ አስተናጋጆቹ መጥተው እንደሚረዷችሁ እናስታውቃለን። ጉዟችሁን በሌላ በረራ የሚቀጥሉ መንገደኞቻችን ተጨማሪ መረጃ ወይም እርዳታ ካስፈለጋችሁ በጣቢያው የሚገኙትን የኢትዮጵያ አየር መንገድ ሰራተኞችን ታነጋግሩ እንጠይቃለን። አዲስ አበባ የሚገቡ የክላውና መንገደኞቻችንና መንገደኞቻችን ደግሞ ሻንጣን ዊዛውት ላንድድ አት አዲስ አበባ ኢትዮጵያ ቦሌ ኢንተርናሽናል ኤርፖርት the local time is 9:15 p.m. For your safety and comfort, we ask you to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign is off. We remind you to wait until you enter the terminal to use any electronic devices or to smoke in the designated areas. Please check around your seat for any personal belongings you may have brought on board with you, and please use caution when opening the overhead bin. After baggage may be shifted during the flight. If you require any assistance, please remain in your seat until all other passengers are deployed. One of our crew members will take you to assist you. Passengers continuing your journey on another flight may contact our ground staff for additional assistance. Our Cloud9 passengers who are starting a Medstar and coming back to Addis Ababa are kindly advised to collect your baggage from carousel number 6, located at Terminal 2. And our economy class passengers are advised to collect your luggage from the dedicated carousel numbers. All passengers or your respective destinations.
Alright, it's been 2,180 miles. I'm going to that is Terminal 2 in Lusaka. I don't know what terminal we're arriving at here. On to the next one, 2320. In about 2 hours. This is gonna be a long ride. A long ride. And on to the 787. I hope they don't change it. But here we go. There we are. We start some plane spotting. ET, others at the terminal. There we go. Look at that, man. Home of Ethiopian. Okay, this thing is big. Oh, there we are. There's our wing. There's our planes and crossing the road or whatever we're crossing. Let's see if I can recognize any planes from here. Look at that. Oh, look at that. The window is quite dirty, eh? Ethiopian. This has no branding. What is this? No branding at all. Ethiopian. And we get into our slot. More Ethiopian. See if I can get something from here. What's this? ET800 is a Dreamliner. Oh, there's a Dreamliner 787. And there's their airport. Welcome to Bole. Park next to a Dreamliner. My next flight of the day. Oh, thank God for a safe trip. These things are big. Come to our rescue. Oh, come to welcome us. It's 7-8. Alright, and disembarking begins. I shan't be rushing.